In today's video, I am going to teach you how to upload company images on Klaviyo. This is a helpful skill to have because keeping your brand images stored inside Klaviyo makes it faster to build consistent emails, templates, and campaigns. Before you begin, make sure the image files you want to use are saved on your computer and easy to find. It also helps if your files have clear names like logo or header so you can recognize them later. First, log in to your Klaviyo account and look at the left-hand navigation menu. Find and click Content. This section is where Klaviyo keeps the building blocks you use in your emails, including saved media assets. After you open Content, click Media and Brand. This area is designed for managing the visual elements connected to your account and brand identity. It is the place you will go whenever you need to upload, organize, or reuse images across different messages. Next, click Images. This takes you directly to your image library. Think of this as your central folder inside Klaviyo, where uploaded graphics can be selected later when you are designing an email. If you are working with a team, keeping images here can also help everyone stay consistent with the same approved files. Once you are on the Images page, go to the top right corner and click Upload Image. This opens the Upload window, where you can add new files into your library. Now you can drag and drop your image files straight into the Upload window. If you prefer, you can also click inside the window to browse your computer and select the files from the folder where they are stored. After you choose your images, allow a moment for the upload to complete, especially if you are uploading larger files or multiple images at once. If an image does not appear right away, wait briefly and check that the file type is supported and that your internet connection is stable. Once the upload finishes, your images will be available in the images library, ready to use in your next email design. And that is all there is to it.